I'm so crazy about you. I'm so crazy about you. Babe, we can count all the stars in the sky as they pass by your face. On your face. Take a trip up to Mars, hold you tight.
Good morning, y'all. It's such a beautiful day outside today. I thought it was going to be super cold, but it's actually not that bad since I have this hoodie on. I'm trying to stand in the shade because the sun, I can see, is super bright. But today is Saturday, and PJ's actually inside getting his hair done right now. He's getting it retwisted so he can be fresh for Thanksgiving. And as y'all saw, I'm out here taking the little Dodie bee to the bathroom. I think we have a couple of things that we're going to try to get done today. I have a couple of like videos and things that I need to film, and I think I want to try to get some pictures taken today since the weather's kind of nice. But yeah, we're just kind of taking it easy this morning. And oh, I did want to mention I used my Dermalogica stuff last night when I washed my face and also this morning, and my face is feeling really good. I didn't have any reactions to any of the products, thank goodness. And my skin is just feeling really elastic, if that makes sense, like bouncy, moisturized, super soft. When I was washing my face this morning, that was one thing I noticed. My skin felt super soft. So hopefully, you know, the products will do what they actually claim that they're supposed to do and help me to clear up the dark spots and stuff that I have on my face, because the goal is clear glass skin, okay, period. So I just wanted to pop on and say good morning to you guys. I'm about to go in and make some breakfast and see what the plan is for the rest of the day, and of course we're going to bring you guys along with us. Alright y'all, so it's a little bit later in the day. Y'all see our little clock back there? Look at the clock. And he just finished getting his hair done. You want to come show me?
Yeah, show him what my hers did. Look at that right there.
You don't gotta stand like that. But yeah, got the okay. Got the fresh retwist.
And I cut off like a foot of my hair. So my hair used to go literally down. And I ain't shaved yet, so I look like I'm 122.
But yeah, anyways, I wanted to come on here real quick because we just got a little package from Amazon. Right here, as you can see, we got some new, does it say what it is on here? No, it just says hammer 15-piece set. But we're gonna do a little unboxing with y'all and show y'all what we got. A little something for Thanksgiving coming up. So I'm gonna set y'all up over here. I'm not really sure why he went outside, but I'm gonna set y'all up and we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and show y'all what we got. You gonna cut it open or you want me to cut it open?
You got it, you want to, so go ahead.
Which, by the way, can we just talk about how nobody is competing with Amazon, like, period?
Right.
Because,
they said, we're 10 stops away. We're here in 3 minutes.
Right. And also, like, they got stuff now where you can order it and get it. Like, I could order, the other day, we had to get new phone cases, which I showed y'all, we got a new phone. And I ordered it that night at, like, what, 10, 11? Mm-hmm. And they got delivered before I even woke up the next morning.
Right, and then also there's this. Alexa, what's the notification?
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. A shipment has arrived.
Wow! That's not very useful when you're standing there holding the box, but
exactly.
If you're out of town or something, oh man, I don't know, that's the one we got.
Yeah, I told you it's a better deal.
Ooh, the lolly. She gonna show it to y'all
I'm
upside
trying
down.
to like get it out the box. Should we just flip
Just
it
flip
out?
it over. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it.
Oh,
Flip it. Flip it.
I was
flip
trying
it.
to see if our address was on that sticker, but it's not. You can't be too careful because people are crazy these days. Alright, this is our new pot set. Again, we got from Amazon. This is by the brand Gotham. We got a really good deal on this, and we also got, I think we got like 10% off or $10 off. I don't remember.
Oh, the inside's not like crazy color.
But this set was coming in stock, going out of stock, coming in stock, going out of stock. So it's apparently very highly sought after. So we went ahead and picked this up because we've been wanting to get some new pots. Some, you know, nicer pots. So, you want to go ahead and open it? You want to get the scissors? Alright, y'all, so these are all the pieces that came with the set. So over here we have a flat pan, we have a muffin pan, we have two cake dishes. I guess all three of these are cake dishes. Mm-hmm. And then we have two, well, no, not saucepans, pots, I guess. Mm-hmm. Two pots. Different sizes, and then we have two skillets, and this also fits on here too. So depending on which one you're using, they all have lids. And then over here we have a big, like, pot to boil noodles, or if you're making soup or whatever, something bigger. And then it comes with this little strainer that sits right on the inside. You could probably steam in here too, like vegetables and stuff like that. Oh, I didn't hear you. So yeah.
You've been wanting.
Oh, I was thinking. Well, anyway, yeah.
It's all right. You silly. You just silly.
And again, this is the brand Gotham Steel. I'll link it for y'all down below if you're interested. We got this whole set for on sale on Amazon for $140, $150. So if you're interested, I'll check it out for you. And the reason we liked it is because of this hammered, well, really the reason he liked it is because of this hammered steel situation that's on the outside of all the pots, which we actually saw for the first time from Chip and Joanna Gaines, which I'm not sure if you guys watch them, but they have, what are their shows? Fixer Upper. They have a cooking show now. Well,
yeah.
She has a cooking show. And
I don't remember anything else.
I don't know.
They just have a whole Magnolia. I think it's Magnolia.
Yeah, they have a whole network called the Magnolia Network. But they started out, they got popping off of Fixer Upper, which is where they flip houses for people on HGTV. But now she has a cooking channel or a cooking show on their network. And that was the first time that we saw the hammered pots and pans. Now, we didn't get the ones that they have because the ones that she has are like $600, $700, $800. We ain't there yet, but we did find these that are really great quality on Amazon for something a little bit more in our budget. So, like I said, I'll link it for y'all down below if you're interested. Anyway, my arm's hurting, so I just wanted to show y'all that real quick little unboxing. And if any of y'all are looking for some really nice pots and pans for the holidays, I just wanted to share an option with you guys. So I'll link it for y'all down below.
You won't have it for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, you won't have it for Thanksgiving because this is the Saturday before Thanksgiving that we're filming this. But Christmas is coming up too, so you know. Yeah, or you might want to get it for yourself for Christmas or for somebody else, for your mom or somebody for Christmas. So I'll leave it linked for y'all down below.
You say you wanted how much? 20 worth. Grab it.
You want me to sit it up here?
Just move it so the handle's up there.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. content for Instagram Reels. I'm actually shooting some content for Camille Rose today, so we are trying to beat the light on our way to Ulta to get the outside shots. We're actually going to go to 2 different Ultas. One to get the outside shots just because it's closer to us, but they don't let us film in there, so there's that. So then we're going to have to drive to one that's kind of more in the city that is part of the 21st century and actually lets people film in their store. So yeah, I just wanted to introduce today and let y'all know what we're up to. I'm going to bring you guys along for a little behind the scenes of shooting the reel, and make sure y'all go to my Instagram. Hopefully by the time this goes up, by the time this vlog goes up, that reel should be up. So make sure that y'all check out my Instagram. If you're not following me there already, I'll have it on the screen for you, and check out the finished product of the reel. So we will see y'all at Ulta. All right, y'all, so we're here. We're just planning out the shots.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is actually for the real vlog.
Yeah.
I'm telling her to do the fake version of this for the video.
For the video.
And you'll see, so y'all gotta watch the video. Alright, so you're gonna be walking up, like kinda, you know, bouncy, happy, you know, whatever, and then kinda look back over your shoulder. Basically you need to smile and be happy. Like
yeah.
don't just be yourself. Be
Okay.
a little bit chippier. Chipper. Alright, ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright.
So just tell me
Maybe
when
I
to
should
go.
film it in slow-mo. Yeah, just so I can slow it down. Alright.
You ready?
You need to be up there.
Oh, tell me where to stop.
Maybe like right there. Wait till he goes by. Wait till Shady and the Hendersons goes by.
Okay, you ready?
Hold on. I'm gonna start on this side, and I'm gonna let you walk past me. And then when you get behind me, I'll just tell you, okay?
So I'll start with the vlog on this side, and then I'll switch it to my other hand.
Okay, 3.
So, cause I'm gonna turn this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, here we go. 3, 2.
I'll wait till this car.
I've been there waiting on this. You know. I'm just go from the side to the back. All right, here we go.
Okay.
3, 2.
Tell me when to look back.
1. Action. Go ahead. All right, switch hands. All right, look back. All right.
We gotta watch it back and see how it looks.
You kind of walked a different direction than I expected. I thought you were just gonna go straight toward it. You went.
Oh, sorry. I can do it over.
I just did it like this so that it would be easy to get the slow-mo.
Yes, hair flip. Let's do it one more time. Oh no, it looks cute. But we can do it one more time just to have options. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna start recording just so I'm not wasting battery. But we'll come back maybe when we switch up and do another shot. Hey y'all, so we're back in the car. We thought about, let me see if this makes a difference. This, no, not really. It did, but it's yellow. Anyway, we're back in the car, and we thought about trying to go into the Ulta that we were filming in front of. But as soon as we walked through the front doors, there was like a mall cop security guard person right at the front door that stopped us and was like, "Where y'all headed?" We're like, "We're in the mall. We're trying to just go to Ulta." And then he was like, "Oh, okay, y'all can go." That kind of put me in gave me bad vibes. So we ended up just leaving. I mean, I'm sure, I guess they probably have a good reason for why they're doing it. But to me, it's like, it's 6 o'clock and it's a mall. Like, I'm coming in to go to stores. I don't really understand. I don't know. I guess.
What all the rigmarole is.
Yeah, I don't get what the issue is. So we're leaving. We're going to another Ulta that I used to go to a lot when I had to go into the office every day. It's more in the city, and I kind of like their vibe, and I think that that's just because they are in the city. We live kind of more in the suburbs, like outside, 30 minutes outside of Atlanta, and I think this area is it's just not the city. I don't know what other better way to say it. So we're gonna go to the one that I originally told y'all in the beginning that we were gonna go to get the indoor shots, inside the store shots. But the shots that we got so far, they came out so cute. So I'm really excited to see how the final reel is gonna come together. But yeah, just wanted to give y'all a little update. So we're headed there now. It's pretty much dark at this point, but I'm glad we were able to get the shots that we needed to get, you know, right before it started getting dark. So just wanted to give y'all a little update. We were just talking about it, and he was like, you should tell the vlog, you know, like what we're talking about. So just figured I'd pop on here and share that little experience with y'all. So we're headed over there now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog anymore once we get over there. It just kind of depends. But if not, I'll check back in with y'all later. Period. Hey.
No. She's originally from here. I'm from South Carolina, but we live here now.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah?
Okay,
What part?
welcome.
Yeah, what's wrong?
Okay. So you down South Florida, right?
Yeah, that's south, like 45 people like that line.
Okay. That's pretty good. Well, welcome. And can I also get some pickled onions on this too, please? Perfect. Thank you.
All right, y'all, so we're back home. We're wrapping up the little Instagram reel that we're working on for Camille Rose, and I just wanted to show y'all our little product shot that we got set up. We got our light down here, and we got our products. We got our background, which is fire. This is our podcast background that we use when we film our podcast. And this is how the products are looking. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and set y'all up for a little time lapse so y'all can see a little behind the scenes. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so that is a wrap for our little Instagram Reels filming session today. That's also going to be the end of this week's vlog.
Product shoot.
Yeah, our product shoot. I hope that y'all enjoyed the vlog. Let me know down below if there's anything else that you guys would like to see. Make sure that you head over to my Instagram to check out how the reel came together. Shout out to for helping me film all of it. Well, for filming it, because I didn't film anything, obviously. I was just a talent. So shout out to him for helping me with filming it. He'll also be doing the edit. So definitely go over and check it out and let me know what you think over on my Instagram. So thank y'all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all very soon in the next video.